Jenna!
Oh my god! Are you preparing me for the haunted Halloween horror house by just doing jump scares? Is that what's happening right now?
Not going there today.
Oh, I don't know why you're scaring me then.
Today is day 2 of our vacation. Or day 3 if you include the travel day. From now on, we're not going to include the travel day. But yeah, today where are we going, Jenna? We're dressed in our Disney shirts. I'm wearing my Disneyland one.
You really want to film me when I'm trying to eat my Pt1 breakfast sandwich?
Take a bite. Take a bite. Arr, grr, grr. We are going to Magic Kingdom. As you can see, it's still fairly early out there. It's like 10 to 7. The resort is absolutely dead. It's quiet. Even the breakfast area, which is usually really busy, has like one man.
And is he working there?
No, there was another man getting coffee who was working there, or I assume he was. He went behind the desk. Oh, by the way, that big moth is still there, but now its wings are open.
Oh.
Yeah, so I went downstairs last night to grab the Apple charger for my phone, and there was this huge moth the size of a bus.
Now last night he was just like the size of a bat, and now he's a bus. So
No, he's a bus now that he's got his wings open, but he's still there. But now he's got his wings open and he's huge. I don't know if he looks a bit dead because his wings aren't completely open. They're like just partially open.
Are you a moth expert?
I don't know if like a lizard tried to eat it or something, and he's now suffering. Plenty of lizards around. We haven't seen any yet, but there usually is, isn't there?
Yeah.
Park doesn't open till 9, but we were scared, so we leave early. You never know. Yeah, tell me that's not the biggest moth you've ever seen.
Oh my god! Oh, I don't like him.
It's huge.
Ew, is that
He's got big fat legs.
it's a crab?
Let's just go around him. Be careful now. We're here, by the way.
By the way.
Kind of got caught up in the excitement there. We came in on the boat and there was pictures being taken. And
That's what happens at Disney. You just get swept up in everything. So we're no exception.
so we're on our way to Fantasyland.
Look at the castle. This is the back of it.
Oh,
Ooh,
there you go.
fancy.
On the way to Frontierland, we're going to try and get on the Seven Dwarfs mine train.
We should try to go on row 7. Wasn't apparently that one the one with the best kind of inertia? Little known fact there.
You know better than me. But yeah, so we're coming around the castle now. Going around the back. Still loads of work going on. I think you can see that because of the sun. But and here too. Yeah, lots of things being hidden. Okay, we'll see you guys at the Seven Dwarfs mine train.
Okay.
Seven Dwarfs. Seven Dwarfs.
I don't know what that ride is.
We're about to go into the Seven Dwarf mine train.
About to in half an hour.
Yeah, about 45 minutes. There it is.
Are we sure the only ones here?
You can see even the fast pass is full. This line actually goes all the way back. What did you think of Seven Dwarfs mine train?
It just seems disproportionate the amount of time you wait for the length of a ride, but it was still good.
We did wait about an hour and 20 minutes, I think.
Yeah, it was a long
Hour and
time.
20 minutes for that ride. It doesn't seem as good as, like you said, it doesn't seem as good during the day than it does at night. And it also doesn't seem as fast as I remember. Maybe I slowed it down. Maybe people complain.
Too much whiplash.
Yeah.
Huh?
Better go into the Haunted Mansion.
I'm scared.
Yeah, we didn't do it in California because they were making up for the Halloween event.
It, yeah.
So it was closed. So we haven't done this since last year.
Did we do it last year?
Last November? Oh no, we didn't. No, we haven't done this since 2012 then. Oh my god.
It's been too long. I don't see Jack Skellington though. Do they not do that?
They don't do that here. They do that at Disneyland, but they don't do it at World. Yeah.
And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors.
No. We just did Haunted Mansion, and then we just did Pirates of the Caribbean after that. We had to kind of rush it because our fast pass was gonna go.
We just got in there though, we finished.
What did you think of Pirates of the Caribbean?
I was gonna say, Disneyland's is better.
Disneyland's is longer, it's darker and gives it more atmosphere.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Like even at the very beginning, everybody's talking, it's like, shut up, I want to enjoy the ride. But on the Disneyland one, it's really quiet, you can hear the crickets chirping, it's like it just slowly lulls you into that state. And here it's like, too many tourists, just shush.
Yeah, it's crazy. And there's so much, sure it's like half the length.
I know.
And the skeleton in the lightning and stuff didn't look anywhere near as good because it was really close to the boat, and therefore it just ruined the effect.
Yeah, that's like everything was too close together as well. I know, like it's okay to have things far away. I don't need to see the detail in everything.
You know, I don't know. But anyway, we're heading towards Space Mountain now, and
my favorite
Space Mountain. We got a fast pass, so we need to for 12:25. So we're gonna head that way. Let's go. It's very busy here today. We're here in Tomorrowland.
Oh, the waiting.
Waiting for our fast pass time to come up. Kind of in limbo right now because you can't really go off and do anything else. It kind of takes too long to get, like you're already waiting in the line for like 35 minutes and then you're on the ride for a couple of minutes and then you have to run all the way back. So yeah.
It's Disney World problems.
Yeah. We're just going to chill here for another 10 minutes, no? What time is it? We're taking 12:16s. So we're 12:25, so you know, 9 minutes. Stand in the shade for 9 minutes and get cool.
Back again.
Okay, so we're just updating our fast pass. We just did Space Mountain. What do you think of Space Mountain, Jenna? There's a ride stuck, it's too loud. What do you think?
So, after I got off Space Mountain in Disneyland, my assessment was the music was way better and right behind your head and the speakers and the surround and it immerses you into the game, or the game, into the ride. Now in this one, I was right. Therefore, it was okay. It seemed longer, but the music made it for me in the Disneyland ride. So
the cars were different too. They were single file as opposed to two.
I never had a lap bar down. I was like lying down
like
practically.
I could kind of stand up. Where your feet go, you can kind of stand up there. I like that.
Maybe it's because I was in the front. I don't know.
Yeah,
weird.
So we just got a fast pass for Peter Pan's flight, and that's not until 6:55, and it's only just gone about 1ish. So.
Yeah. That's probably extreme close-up of my face. No one wants that.
We're trying to find something to eat, basically.
I'm hungry.
And yeah, let's go. So we're gonna head down Main Street. We're gonna go to Frontierland, maybe.
Okay.
But
I'll just follow you.
We'll see what we find. We tried going to the terrace in Tomorrowland, but it was shut. We don't know why.
It was open, just none of the food vendors were there.
Oh, yeah.
Lots of tables.
Okay. We're in the Tortuga.
Yeah.
It's very busy. Just across the way from Pirates of the Caribbean. Very busy. What did you get here, Jenna? We kind of rushed over to Frontierland, Adventureland. What did you get?
I got salad. Doesn't look very appetizing, but
Let's make it quickly.
no.
I got a chicken sandwich. Barbecue chicken toasted sandwich with beans and coleslaw. Do you like coleslaw? Do you want my coleslaw? Okay.
Let's try it again. I said howdy, folks. Howdy. Welcome to Grizzly Hall, home of the world famous Country Bear Jamboree. My name is Becca, and before we get started, I have a couple rules and announcements for everyone, so just bear with me. I know you're all very excited. You know, there's a rumor going around that Walt Disney built this place with his bare hands. Yeah, it was a really grisly task. Tears will be the chaser for your wife after you leave this love of mine.
There was blood on the sand and
Sad man.
blood all around.
Oh my god.
We should have
My
a
new
little,
favorite ride.
little bit of a catch up we should have. I think we've done quite a few bits before we last spoke to the camera. So we were going to Splash Mountain, I think, when we last spoke. We did that. That was wet. And also
Disneyland's was better. Disneyland's was longer.
Disneyland's was longer, yeah. And also, well, the seats were not as comfy in Disneyland. Here they're a lot more comfortable. And they're side by side, which is, you know, good. So after that we saw the, what's it called? Mickey's Fantasy Parade? Is that what it's called?
Yeah, fantasy something for it.
Yeah, Fantasy
We're not good with the
Parade.
names of things.
We saw that. That was pretty good. I like seeing the dragon breathing out fire and
Coolest job ever to drive that dragon. What do you do for a living? I drive a dragon.
I'm still not sure why Prince Charming and Snow White don't get their own floats. They're kind of just stuck on the ground. So yeah,
The peasants.
we had those ones, and then we had we went into the Bear Jamboree.
Your favorite ride?
The Country Bear Jamboree.
So quirky
It was
and old.
surprisingly
and
good.
awesome.
It was surprisingly funny. I didn't really get the jokes at first, and then I heard people laughing, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, you were the one with the belated laughs. It's okay. I'll
Not
explain
all
to
of
you later.
it, not all of it, just some of it. But a lot of it was found funny by kind of, I don't know, kind of older ladies. I don't know if that's to do with the generation thing, but I know for a fact that Tears for a Chaser for Your Wine or whatever, that song, the ladies next to me and behind me, they love that whole crying into your wine thing. And the men who turn me on, turn me down.
Yeah,
Yeah, the ladies love that one.
like you do.
Yeah, I'm not sure what we're doing now. We got a fast pass for Peter Pan at 6:55. We're heading back to Fantasyland, which is over that way, I believe.
Sure, I'll believe it.
And then we're gonna just go from there.
Okay, let's go from there.